Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be discussing with you how to use Sherum Cooling Ace portable AC. So you might be wondering how to exactly use or what is the Sherum Cooling Ace portable AC that you may be hearing online. So Sherum Cooling Ace here is a portable personal air cooler designed to provide cooling for small personal spaces, such as desk, bedside table, or workspace. According to the official website here, or the website, it features 3 fan speeds, quiet operation, and is available in both plug-in and rechargeable versions with a 2000 mAh battery. Its compact design makes it easy to place on a desk or carry between rooms. According to the manufacturer here, the Cooling Ace works by drawing warm air through its cooling system and producing a cooler airflow for the person sitting nearby. The company states that users can choose between low, medium, and high fan speeds depending on their comfort level, while the rechargeable model here is designed to provide hours of cordless operation. Now, to use the Sherum Cooling Ace here, you want to place it on a flat surface or mount it where desired. Connect it to a power source or use the fully charged rechargeable model here. Now, then press the power button and choose your preferred fan speed. Now, you want to direct the airflow towards yourself for the best cooling effect here. The manufacturer here recommends using it on a desk, bedside table, or other small personal area. Now, the official website lists Sherum Cooling Ace at a promotional price of $79.65, reduced from the original $169.98. The package includes one portable cooling unit with pricing and promotion subject to change. So you may want to do your research or you may want to visit their website here. And that's essentially how the Sherum Cooling Ace works. So if you're interested with this specific product here, doing your own research by checking reviews and information from sources outside the official website is recommended to help you make an informed purchasing decision. So this applies for anything that you're buying online. But that's about it. Friends, for the helpful, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.